आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Everyone, so the question is the locus of point, that is coordinates having alpha and beta, moving under the condition that the line y equal to alpha x plus beta is a tangent to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is. So basically we have to find the locus and then take which of the following option is correct, whether it's parabola, an ellipse, hyperbola or a circle. So let's proceed. So I'm writing down the equation of the hyperbola which is given to us. It's x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equals to 1. So what would be the equation of the tangent? So that would be, so it would be, in case of hyperbola, it's x secant theta upon a minus y tangent theta upon b is equal to 1. So this is equation for tangent. Let it be equation number 1. Now in the question also we are given the line which is tangent to the hyperbola. So according to the question, y is equal to alpha x plus beta. So now we can write it as alpha x minus y plus beta equals to 0, and also it can be written as alpha x minus y is equal to minus of beta. So we can also rearrange it as minus of alpha upon beta into x minus of 1 upon beta into y is equals to 1. This is equation number 2. Now you can observe that equation 1 and 2 are same because both are tangent. So equating 1 and 2, what we get? So it states that secant theta upon a is equal to minus alpha upon beta. So it implies secant theta is equal to minus a alpha upon beta. Similarly, tangent theta upon b is equal to minus 1 upon beta. So it implies tangent of theta is minus b upon beta. Now there is one trigonometric property which is secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. So we are having value of tangent theta and secant theta. Substituting it here, what I get minus a alpha upon beta whole square minus of minus b upon beta whole square is equal to 1. Solving it further, I get a square alpha square upon beta square minus b square upon beta square is equals to 1. So taking beta square as LCM and taking it to the right hand side, we are left with a square alpha square minus b square is equal to beta square. After rearrangement, we can write it as a square alpha square minus beta square is equal to b square. So after the another rearrangement, I can write this equation as alpha square upon b upon a whole square minus beta square upon b square is equal to 1. So in the question it was mentioned that the locus of point P at point alpha comma beta. So I can replace it with alpha and beta by x and y. So replacing it, what I get x square upon b upon a whole square minus y square upon b whole square is equal to 1. So now if we will clearly look at the equation, this is nothing but this is the equation of the hyperbola only. So from here we can say that the option hyperbola, that is option C, is the correct option. So I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।